Good morning, you guys. I just woke up. Today I thought I would vlog. Sorry if my voice sounds really raspy because I literally got up like 5 minutes ago. It is currently 7:05 and I just wanted to bring you guys along on a productive day in my life. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this. Okay, so yesterday I got this hatch alarm. And last night was my first night using it. I'm trying to like set my schedule and get back into like a good sleep routine because I do start my big girl job tomorrow. Actually, it's Tuesday. I start on Wednesday. It's fully remote. I'm so excited. I'm hoping that I love it, but I need to sleep well and not be tired while I work. So I got this. It is really, really nice. So it comes with an app. And on the app, you can set like a nighttime routine. So the way that I set mine is I read for an hour and it has like a reading light. And then for like 45 minutes, it does red light and like ocean sounds. And then that cuts off. And then it does just like ocean wind stuff like while I sleep at night. And then in the morning, it's like a gradual sun. I haven't woken up at 7 in like the past 2 weeks, but a while ago I was. And it was bright, but now it's like dark outside, so I'm glad that this is waking me up. It gradually gets super bright, like the sunrise, and then it plays whatever song you want. So I have it like playing like a little flute solo. Honestly, I feel very refreshed. I didn't go to sleep until like 12:15, but I just feel super refreshed. Like I didn't wake up super harsh, even though I don't use like a harsh alarm on my phone. I don't know, but I feel great. I set out my clothes for the gym so I don't have to like bojangle in the morning. I'm about to make my bed, get dressed, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a late start to the gym. It's currently 7:45. I was moving very slow this morning and then I got intercepted by my dad and my stepmom, and we duked out a little grocery order that I have to pick up later, but I was trying to figure out what I wanted, so I was moving slow. But we are on our way to the gym now. We made it. I'm like very refreshed. I'm not tired, surprisingly. I'm moving slow, but I'm not tired. So hopefully we get a good workout in. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Sometimes I just like figure it out once I get there. So I'll see you guys at the gym. So now I'm leaving the gym. I had a nice little hard leg workout. My legs are like throbbing and they feel great. I feel great. We're about to go home. It's almost 9. I'm gonna shower, get myself together, and then I'm gonna go to the mall, I think a little later, with my friend Naya. We're gonna go to South Park Mall because they have Abercrombie. And the last time I went, I really wanted to try on some jeans, but it was weekend, and the malls here on the weekend are just like horrific. So I didn't even try anything on. We didn't buy anything. So I'm gonna try some pants on. I've been looking for some good pairs of jeans. I've been really struggling to find pants that fit me. So we're gonna do that, but right now I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna find something to eat, make a little smoothie or something, and then shower, get myself together. I don't know that I'm gonna like put a full face of makeup on, but I'm gonna put a little bit on just so I'm, you know, feeling good. And then I'll see you guys a little later probably, but I'll probably update y'all when I get home. All right, you guys. So I recently got the Beast blender and I'm obsessed with it. It literally blends so well if you don't fill it up too much. Yesterday I filled it up too much and it blended, but it struggled a little bit. I filled it past the max, which you should not do. But it is so cute to look at. It comes with this big vessel. The one I got, it comes with the big one, it comes with the small one, it comes with 2 extra lids, the blender, a drinking lid, and then it came with a hydration water bottle that you could make infused water. So it's pretty good. I like how it is because you like plug it in and you see you can't blend it when this light's red. If you put it on but you don't put it on all the way, it stays red, so you still can't blend. And then once you twist it on, it'll turn white, which means that you can blend. You press this button, and once it hits green, it means that it's like done. So I'm gonna make a little smoothie. I have been using oat milk and almond milk as my base, but I feel like that's literally all you can taste, and I don't like that. You can't taste any of the fruit, and it's just like not as enjoyable. So we're gonna try using some pineapple juice instead, because we have it at my house and I don't want a nutty tasting smoothie. So we're gonna get the ingredients and then we're gonna make a smoothie. All right, let's do a taste test. Ooh, gave me a little bit of lockjaw. My mouth still tastes like my mouthwash a little bit. It's super good though. It's the best one I've made so far, for being honest. The beast. So I'm here with my friend Naya.
Hi.
And we went to South Park Mall, and then we decided to get lunch, and everything's like closed. Nothing opens till around 5. So we just naturally are going to Restoration Hardware. Material Girl on this Tuesday morning. So hopefully it's good. So we are just now leaving Restoration Hardware. What do you think, Naya?
7 out of 10. I would definitely come back.
7?
It was good, but it was just expensive.
Well, that's most places. You're very like picky. I'm like,
I am very picky.
9 out of 10.
Picky.
I was like, 9 out of 10 because the truffle fries,
though, they were gas. They were gas.
And then the sandwich was good.
The sandwich was good.
I liked it all. I don't know where her little
it was like
7.
warm. Mine wasn't like hot.
Well,
so I mean like 7 out of 10. But a very pretty day. I would come back.
Very pretty. I would definitely come back because very much aesthetic and cute. Yeah. I hope I was able to capture it good enough for you guys that have never been before.
And I love having the idea of like a restaurant with like a store. I don't know, I like double concept places.
And I like the rooftop vibes. And like when we were in there, they like opened up the back wall, which is basically windows. If you hear that bird, I'm sorry. But it's like very loud. But they like opened it up so like the outdoor air was in, but it like wasn't cold. It felt good.
That's a nice thing.
Even though we went in these outfits. OTD currently wearing this jean jacket from Olive Olay, this green shirt from Skims, sweatpants from Amazon, and then my low dunks. So I am back home. I have been back for a while actually, probably like an hour. Yeah, probably like about an hour I've been home. But I came home and I like instantly started cleaning. This weekend my boyfriend's coming and a lot of our family's coming for my dad's birthday. We're gonna celebrate this weekend, so I probably will be sharing a bathroom with some of my family. And my bathroom's not like disgusting, but it does need to be cleaned. So I've been like going ham on the shower. Like, I don't know, it's very weird. Like I clean my shower, but I feel like it like doesn't stay clean, like the residue and stuff. So I've been scrubbing at that. I did pour some bleach in there, and I think the bleach is starting to go to my head because I used a lot. And I'm put some in the toilet too. So I'm about to clean the toilet. I'm gonna let that stuff sit for a while just so I can try to like really get the grime out, and like because it's kind of like discolored. I'm not sure why. But that's what I'm doing right now, cleaning. I'm taking a little break. I had to crack open the window and turn the fan on because the fumes are like becoming a lot, and I'm not sure if it's like the fumes in the room or they're like up my nose. So we're trying to get some fresh air in here. I'm probably gonna chill for a little bit. If you saw like earlier in my vlog, we did end up going to Restoration Hardware. It was so freaking good. Celebratory big girl job, because I start my big girl job tomorrow. So kind of just preparing for that. I'm preparing for our guests this weekend. My room's pretty clean. I do need to do laundry, but I think my stepmom's doing like the other bed sheets laundry, so I'll have to wait until she's done. And then we had pushed back the grocery delivery because I didn't know if I would be home or not. So I'm gonna go pick that up in between like 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. so we can have some groceries. And I did end up doing a HelloFresh order. That's supposed to get here on Thursday, and it's currently Tuesday, so 2 days from now. And oh, that's my neighbor's dog. They like to leave their dogs outside all day long, even when they're not home. Very weird. But he's going ham, so I'll update you guys in a second. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and chill, try not pass out, because I feel like the fumes are making me a little woozy.